In the video today, I want to go over what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A37 freezes or your touchscreen is not working properly. You can try something called a soft reset, and this will basically force the phone to shut off and turn it back on again, and usually this will fix any short-term software glitches you're having. Let's go ahead and give it a try. We're going to hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the screen goes blank, just like this. Power, volume down, 1, 2, 3, hold. And you'll see this pop up on the screen. Continue to hold the two buttons, and usually after about 10 seconds the screen will shut down and it should restart right away. If it doesn't, give it about 10 seconds, and you can always hold down on the power standby button after to get it to turn back on. What this does is it just forces the software to shut down, and then it turns it right back on. And usually if there is an app that is glitching that's causing the issue, this will fix that problem. Now, disclaimer, if you have physical damage done to your screen, maybe you have a crack in your screen or a heavy dent, and the touchscreen is not responding properly, then this is not going to fix that. So in that case, if that is the problem that you're having, you'll want to, one, either take your phone to a cell phone and repair shop and have them look at the screen to see if it needs to be replaced, or you can go to Samsung.com, connect to their web support, and you can ask them to find certified service and repair shops in your area to take the phone to. All right. If you got value out of this video, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.